In today's video, I'll teach you how to play daily games on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, see more, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for games. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the games interface. If you want to play the daily games at top, you'll be able to find this option for daily games. You can simply tap on this option, see all, that you can see on the screen. Or you can also tap on this option, daily games, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the daily games over here. So what you have to do is tap on the game that you would like to play. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to play the game. So that is how you play daily games on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.